Hey guys, this is my trade recap for today. I traded three stocks. The first one is Agen, um, a small cap, gapped up on PR, um, and I only made 0.24. Actually, today um, I made a lot, but I nailed a lot of setups, but um, I was just small size on uh, all of them because this one uh, I didn't get filled to the size that I wanted. And then this one, I was too scared to trade with any size. Um, and then also this one, I should have slammed the bid instead of waiting for a limit order to fill. Um, so first trade is Agen. It had a recent shelf November, and then it was very heavy pre-market, so you know they're diluting. So uh, at the open, I had some orders waiting up here by the VWAP, but it didn't even pop there. So um, only one one tier got filled, and then I tried to add here, and I was waiting for it to tank, but it never tanked. And when it came back up here, I took it off, and then I noticed it was stalling here, so I put one tier back on, but I just um, took like I think this is 5 cents, and then I was out of there. I didn't chase this because it went above VWAP. Um, and after that, I was watching Mrin, so I just didn't bother with this. Next trade, Mrin. Uh, this was very difficult to trade because of the spread. Uh, and it kept moving all over the place. It was very scary, so I just put on 2 tiers max. Um, and these are the entries. So in the morning when it rejected the prior close, I put on 1 tier, and then I was up by almost a dollar, close to a dollar. Uh, but I had no intention to cover. I was thinking it would fade more. So in fact, when it hit the VWAP here, I added. But then uh, when I saw volume coming in and it was attempting to break the VWAP, I covered everything. Uh, and then same thing here. It was trying to break the previous close, and then I put on 1 tier, but I saw this volume bar increasing a lot, so I took it off. I got scared, and it pulled back, and sure enough, uh, more volume came in, and then it went on a parabolic. And then I was watching it; it was really overextended here, and I saw a death candle here on the 3 minute, so I put on 1 tier. Uh, this is a nice setup if there's a reversal candle like this on a volume bar that stands out above the rest. That's usually I've been trading that for a long time. I always put on at least 1 tier, um, and then I was holding up, and then it tried another attempt to make a new high, but it slammed down again on heavy volume. So I added on another tier. Uh, and as soon as I got the flush, I covered 1 tier, and here I got shaken up. So I wasn't able to partake of this. I was so pissed off because as soon as I was shaken out, it slammed back down. Annoying. And finally, I traded the VXX. like I said, I don't trade VXX by itself. I trade it with SPY. Uh, and SPY, this was a nice setup. Double top. I've seen this several times already. Um, Next time I'm going to trade it. If I see a double top off of a resistance or off of the average or a descending triangle, um, it's nice because it continues. So here it's overextended from the VWAP down, so and then it's getting to that time of day too, the afternoon. So I start looking for uh, signs of reversal, and usually it's big volume bars. Um, and the price not going anywhere or getting stuffed on the way down. That's a signal that it's going to reverse, but it has to be taken with the time of day. Um, if it happens here, it's probably not accurate. It's going to continue. But if it happens here uh, in the afternoon or late day, then you're pretty sure. Um, so anyway, these are the entries. Let's see this. So this is the SPY down here. So this, and so I started and then I stopped that because it was gonna continue. I was looking at the tape. It still looked heavy, so I covered it. And then finally here on the second one, I put on one tier, and then I watched it. I didn't go full size. I should have gone full size, but I was just coming off from trading MRI and that gave me a headache. So I just put on one tier and I said I'll just hold on as long as I could. And guess what? Over here I got called to a meeting, so I had to leave anyway. So I just covered it, and otherwise I could have pulled off more out of it. Anyway, I only had one tier. Annoying. I should have gone full size on it. So yeah, those are my trades today.